Have you ever thought about becoming a YouTube content creator? Do you know the potential that lies within this platform? Welcome to the world of YouTube content creation, a realm brimming with opportunities and potential. Picture this. YouTube, a platform that started as a simple video sharing service back in 2005, has now burgeoned into a global powerhouse with over 2 billion logged-in users every month. It's become a pivotal part of our digital existence, a space where ideas are shared, stories are told, and lives are changed. And you, yes you, can be a part of this dynamic landscape. In 2024, YouTube isn't just a platform. It's a canvas for creators, a marketplace for ideas, and a launching pad for entrepreneurs. It's a place where creativity meets business, where passion meets profit. Consider this: with a sprinkle of creativity, a dash of determination, and a hefty dose of hard work, you could transform a blank YouTube channel into a thriving business. The beauty of YouTube content creation lies in its accessibility. It's a business model that welcomes everyone, from tech-savvy teenagers to silver-haired seniors, from seasoned professionals to complete beginners. It doesn't discriminate based on your background, your education, or your bank balance. All it asks for is your commitment, your creativity, and your courage to share your unique perspective with the world. But what makes this business model particularly enticing for beginners in 2024 is its potential for growth and profitability. As a YouTube content creator, you're not just a cog in the machine, you're the architect of your own destiny. You're the boss, the creative director, the star of the show, and the one who reaps the rewards. There's a world of potential waiting for you on YouTube. A world where you can turn your ideas into engaging content, your passion into a profession, and your dreams into an achievable reality. A world where you can reach millions, inspire thousands, and make a difference one video at a time. Imagine being your own boss, creating content you're passionate about, and earning a substantial income from it. Intriguing, isn't it? One of the greatest advantages of YouTube content creation is the minimal startup cost. Launching a YouTube channel doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, most of the costs can be eliminated if you choose to roll up your sleeves and do the work yourself instead of outsourcing. This includes everything from scripting and filming to editing and marketing your content. Take video equipment, for example. While it's true that high-quality cameras and microphones can run into the hundreds or even thousands of dollars, many successful YouTubers have started with nothing more than their smartphone. And as you grow and start earning revenue, you can reinvest in better equipment. Then there's editing software. Again, while there are professional-grade options that come with a hefty price tag, there are also numerous affordable and even free alternatives. Some of these offer a surprising amount of functionality and can be a great starting point for those new to video editing. Even things like lighting and soundproofing can be achieved on a shoestring budget. A simple ring light can significantly improve the quality of your footage, and common household items can be used to dampen echo and background noise. So, while there is some investment required to start a YouTube channel, these are largely one-time costs. And with a little creativity and resourcefulness, they can be kept to a minimum. With a little creativity and dedication, it's possible to start your own YouTube channel with little to no cost. Now let's talk about the rewards. What can you gain from being a YouTube content creator? Well, the potential is vast and varied. One of the primary ways content creators make money is through ad revenue. Each time an ad is played on your video, you earn a small amount. It might not seem like much at first, but as your views increase, so does your income. And remember, this is a global platform, so your videos can be viewed by millions, even billions of people. Then, there are sponsorships. Companies are always on the lookout for channels that align with their brand to promote their products. These deals can be incredibly lucrative, with some creators earning thousands of dollars per sponsored video. And let's not forget merchandise. Once you've built up a loyal community, you can start selling branded items. T-shirts, mugs, posters. The possibilities are endless. This is a great way to earn money and engage with your audience on a deeper level. But the rewards are not only financial. As a YouTube content creator, you also have the opportunity to build a community, to share your passion, your ideas, and your creativity with the world. You can inspire, entertain, and educate. And the best part? Over time, as your channel grows and you streamline your content creation process, your YouTube business can become automated, requiring less and less of your time. This means that eventually, it can become a source of passive income. Yes, you heard it right, money while you sleep. But remember, this doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. But with determination and a clear vision, it is entirely possible. In short, the sky's the limit when it comes to how much you can earn from your YouTube channel. You have the potential to turn your passion into a profitable business, to make a living doing what you love. So why wait? Start your YouTube journey today. You never know where it might lead. So, what's the secret to becoming a successful YouTube content creator? Consistency. Yes, consistency. It's a simple word, but it carries a lot of weight. It's the golden thread that weaves its way through every successful YouTube journey. But what does it really entail? Think about it like this. Consistency is the heartbeat of your channel. It's what keeps your content alive and your audience engaged. It's about creating engaging content and posting it frequently, at least 3 to 5 times per week for the next year and a half. It's a commitment, yes, but it can be incredibly rewarding. Imagine by being consistent, you could potentially make over $25,000 per month. That's not just a number, it's a life-changing amount. Let's take a look at some people who've done just that. Consider PewDiePie, the most subscribed YouTuber in the world. He started out by posting videos consistently, and look where he is now. Or take Lily Singh, who began by making funny skits in her room and now hosts her own late-night show. They didn't achieve their success overnight. It was the result of consistent effort over time. But consistency isn't just about frequency. It's also about the quality of your content. It's about continuously improving, learning from your mistakes, and seeking to provide value to your viewers. Remember, your audience is investing their time in you, so it's only fair that you offer them something worthwhile in return. And above all, consistency is about perseverance. There will be days when you question if it's worth it, when the views are low and the comments are harsh, but that's when you need to stay the course. Stick to your schedule. Keep creating, keep improving, keep posting. Persistence and consistency are key. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Your YouTube empire won't be either. But with time, effort, and a whole lot of consistency, you can build something truly amazing. And isn't that worth the journey? Becoming a YouTube content creator is a journey. It requires commitment, creativity, and a whole lot of consistency. We've journeyed together through the promising landscape of YouTube content creation today. We've seen its immense potential, especially for beginners, and how it presents an appealing business model in this year of 2024. Let's recap the key points we've touched on. First, we explored the potential of YouTube content creation. This platform offers a boundless ocean of opportunities, a chance to reach millions of viewers, and the possibility to share your unique voice, your unique story, with the world. Next, we discussed the minimal startup costs associated with this business model. It's a venture that requires little to no financial investment at the outset. Most costs can be eliminated if you choose to roll up your sleeves and do the work involved rather than outsourcing. This makes it an accessible path for many aspiring entrepreneurs. Then we ventured into the rewards of YouTube content creation. Once the business starts gaining viewers and subscribers, the rewards can be quite substantial. At this stage, the business can be automated and outsourced, eventually becoming a source of passive income. A dream come true for many. But let's not forget the key to success in this venture: consistency. Creating engaging content and consistently posting at least 3 to 5 times per week for the next year and a half can indeed be very lucrative. It can lead to making over $25,000 per month, a sum that's certainly nothing to sneeze at. However, it's not just about the money. It's about the journey, the creativity, the connections forged with viewers around the globe, and the personal satisfaction derived from sharing content that resonates with others. It's about the joy of creating and the thrill of seeing your work appreciated by a global audience. So, are you ready to take the plunge and start your journey as a YouTube content creator? Do you feel the spark of creativity igniting within you? Are you prepared to commit, to be consistent, and to embrace this exciting journey? If this video inspired you, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.